Welcome to this condensed workshop on using Figma to brainstorm and prototype no-code solutions for SaaS products. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Figma to simplify complex workflows and improve user experience through visual prototyping. Figma is a collaborative design tool, and it's perfect for product managers who need to quickly create prototypes without writing code. Throughout this video, we'll focus on how you can use Figma to ideate, design, and prototype your SaaS product, making it easier for you to communicate your ideas and solutions to your team. We're starting with a blank canvas in Figma. You can use Figma's intuitive interface to brainstorm ideas and rapidly prototype solutions, all within a single workspace. I've already set up a workspace here called SaaS Workflow Prototyping to demonstrate how we can work on simplifying a complex user flow. Step 1. Brainstorming and sketching workflows. The first step in our process is to brainstorm. Figma's collaboration features allow multiple team members to contribute to the brainstorming session in real time, which is especially useful when working remotely. Let's start by creating a simple workflow for a customer onboarding process for a SaaS platform. I'll use Figma's shape and text tools to sketch out a basic flowchart. Click on the Rectangle tool and start mapping out key steps in the onboarding process, such as 1. Sign up, 2. Account setup, 3. Tutorial walkthrough, 4. First action completed. Each of these steps represents a core part of the user journey. Step 2. Designing the prototype. After brainstorming the workflow, it's time to bring it to life by creating a clickable prototype. Figma allows you to prototype directly in the design environment without needing to switch tools, which makes the workflow seamless. Let's start by designing the sign-up screen for our onboarding process. I'll use Figma's pre-built UI kits to save time. To do this, click on Assets and drag and drop elements like buttons and input fields directly onto the canvas. We'll place a sign-up button, fields for name and email, and an option for users to select a plan. Make sure the layout is clean and intuitive, minimizing friction for new users. When designing these screens, focus on the simplicity of the experience. Users should be able to complete each step with minimal effort. Step 3. Prototyping interactions. Now that we have our initial screen, let's make the prototype interactive. Click on Prototype Node in the top right corner of the screen. We'll link the Sign Up button to the next screen, which will be the Account Setup page. In the Account Setup screen, we'll ask users to enter basic information about their company. Once again, I'll use Figma's pre-built UI components to quickly build the interface. After you've designed the flow for both screens, connect them by dragging the interaction arrow from the button on the sign-up screen to the next screen. You can choose different types of transitions here, such as slide left or fade in. I'll select slide left to create a smooth transition between screens. Step 4. Testing the prototype. Now that we've created a basic flow from sign-up to account setup, it's important to test the prototype. Figma allows you to preview your design and walk through the user flow as if it were a live product. Click Present in the upper right corner to view the prototype. As you click through the screens, make sure the transitions feel natural and that the overall flow is easy to follow. This testing phase helps identify any usability issues early on, ensuring that the workflow remains intuitive. If you notice any friction points, like a confusing button label or too many fields on a form, you can quickly make changes and test again. Figma's real-time collaboration means you can gather feedback from your team while testing and update the prototype on the fly. Step 5. Gathering feedback and iterating. Once you've tested the prototype, it's time to gather feedback. Figma makes it easy to share the prototype with stakeholders by generating a shareable link. Stakeholders can leave comments directly on the design, allowing you to get specific feedback on each screen. Conclusion. Figma is a powerful tool for brainstorming, prototyping, and gathering feedback, making it ideal for designing no-code solutions that simplify complex SaaS workflows. By creating interactive prototypes, you can quickly visualize your ideas, test them with users, and iterate based on feedback.